Unlocking a deep exhaust note with minimal rasp out of the Coyote is no easy feat. Luckily, we did all the hard work for you. Hey everyone, I'm Sara, and this is the product rundown for AWE's exhaust suite for the 2018 and newer Mustang GT. AWE offers 2 exhaust options to uncork all 5 liters of hell yeah: the Perfected Touring Edition and the Loud and Rowdy Track Edition. The Touring Edition is a 3-inch diameter catback crafted from mandrel-bent T304L stainless steel, consisting of a bespoke H-pipe paired to 2 bullet-style resonators to create a deep and powerful muscle tone without any drone through the entire range. The Touring Edition is equipped with straight-through 180 technology resonators that deploy patented proprietary technology to cancel out drone frequencies, all without muffling or congesting that rich exhaust note. If you want an exhaust that will shake the walls without intruding on Bluetooth phone calls or cause headaches within the cabin, your exhaust search can confidently end here. Check it out for yourself. Replace those resonators with straight pipes and you have the Raw and Rowdy Track Edition. The loudest of the pair, the Track Edition exhaust retains all of the precision engineering of the Touring Edition, including the H-pipe and 3-inch T304L stainless tubing, minus the 180 technology. The result, completely raw, wake-the-dead level muscle in and out of the cabin at a lower price point. If you like loud in all aspects, listen to this closely. If your future needs change, we offer conversion kits to allow the Track Edition to transform into a Touring Edition or vice versa, so you're never stuck. For GTs with the factory active exhaust, we've created a convenient bolt-on bracket to accommodate those valve motors, allowing them to remain plugged in and operational to keep your GT check engine light free. To complete the rear of your GT are quad 4-inch double-walled slash-cut tips available in your choice of chrome silver or diamond black. Each exhaust is 100% bolt-on, emissions-friendly, and features our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. Manufactured with precision in-house here at AWE for you and your Mustang GT. To grab one for yourself, head to awemustang.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.